Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us a thumbs up. Now today we're excited to bring you a 2023 Forest River Salem Hemisphere, model number 35RE. Now this is something.
And it is an Elite Series.
And the length on this one is 42 feet 9 inches. The dry weight is 12,194 pounds. And that hitch weight is 2,205.
Whew.
I say my Ford Ranger ain't gonna pull this one.
I don't think so. This is going to have 6-point electric stabilizing. Your dump area is right here. Really good locations, not under a slide, so it's easy to get to. Your storage here.
Wow.
This already has a water filter in it. Outside shower, your connections are all over here. There's your electric leveling system is in here, so it's out of the weather. Your propane your propane tanks are going to be right here. I really like when they put both of them on the same side, just easier to get to that way. Moving on around here to the front storage.
Auto leveling is under here.
So right up front, your battery will go over here. Your spare is in here. And this does give you some extra room in here for storage. You could probably put a few items in here.
Wow.
They also give you an outside light. I do like that in case you have to hook up when it's kind of dark.
I think I looked right at the camera when you were doing that.
Here's the other side of your pass-through storage. Your battery disconnect is all going to be up here. This is your solar
Controller, I think. Yeah, it's
Yes.
Go Power in it.
Yes.
Don't that say Go Power? I can't tell.
Yes, it does. And of course, there's your light switch for your lights under here.
Hey, America.
No, we can't steal
Oh,
that
I can't
one.
steal that one.
Can't
Oh,
steal that
well,
one.
Can't steal that one. Sorry.
But that is a weird place to put it. But anyway, so if you need a bottle opener, it's under there. And you also have a leash latch to hook up your pets or your crazy in-laws, whatever.
I know, we got us a little puppy.
We do have a puppy now, so
I'll have to put a picture out.
we'll have to tell y'all about Rosie sometime a little bit later. Solid steps here, but hey, let's go on down because I'm not sure what I want to show them first. You're probably thinking, what is this odd little door right here?
Let's get this out of here.
This is the neatest thing.
Oh my goodness.
And it just keeps going.
Oh my goodness.
So this is the ultimate outside entertainment center. This is
College day football right here.
awesome. Yes. Woohoo, Hail State. Okay.
Whoa now, you better watch it. We got a bunch of subscribers.
I know. Hey, any college football is good.
Let us know what college team you're pulling for this year.
Yes, absolutely. Oh, well, hey, while I'm standing right here, I would like to point out that they do have Goodyear tires on this one. That is very impressive. Your propane quick connect is going to be right under there. And this outside kitchen. Oh my goodness.
Yep.
So, along with your big screen TV, all of your cooking can be done right out here. This is just excellent. Plug-ins out here. This sink, and it is plumbed through. Your mini fridge.
My goodness.
And I like the height on this one. I can actually reach the sink on this one.
Yeah, there was one that we done. It was a little high, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was like eye level to me, but that's what happens when you're only 5'2". So, okay, we are just really excited to show you the inside of this Salem Hemisphere because we think you're going to like this one. It is super nice.
Right.
And in we go.
It is definitely different.
It is a little different setup. So I'll just give you a really quick view here. And let's just go ahead and start. This is a rear entertainment version. So we'll start right back here with your sofa. is going to be a trifold, and you've got storage on both sides, power,
Oh
and
my
and
goodness!
USB.
I can't even hardly reach them.
All right, so you need to be a tall person to get to that storage, but that's great.
That is nice.
Here's one of your AC units, and there is a ceiling fan, but I don't want to make anybody dizzy. Blackout shades. Yes, I pointed out this is a trifold sofa, so you do have extra sleeping right there. Right over here is going to be your theater seating. USB in there, cup holders, and even more cup holders, and okay, I don't think, oh, it's not plugged in, but it will light up. Windows all the way around. This is in its own little slide out, excuse me. Now I'm going to turn around and have a seat here and this is your inside entertainment center, and it is as impressive as the outside. You have a nice big TV, storage on both sides of it, sound bar already in place. I love these new mirrored electric fireplaces. That's something else. Hey, tell us what you think. It took me a while to kind of get used to looking at those, but I think I like them after I've seen them several times. Now, let's move into the kitchen, because this is probably one of my favorites. Right here, you already have a couple of bar stools.
We got 2 on each side. That's what's amazing.
Oh, there is.
There's 2 on each side.
So you have this really big U-shaped kitchen. You've got power right here.
Your
Yes, your
vents.
vents.
For heat.
And so it's not in the floor. While we're here, I'll just show you this has got solid surface countertops. So wow, that's tall storage too.
Yeah.
Storage up here. You do have these really pretty pendant lights. Storage underneath your single basin sink, which put your sink inserts in. There is room under there to put, because that shelf doesn't come all the way out, so you do have room for a garbage can under there if you want to put it there.
Got another one over here.
More storage there.
And we got a couple
drawers.
of drawers right here.
Yes. And this huge window, that's going to look over your campsite. That is just, I like that a lot.
Okay, I don't know if I'd go camping or just stay in the
Or just stay in it, I know.
This is...
Let me turn around over here and show you your cooking area. So you do have a convection microwave, storage on both sides of it.
Oh.
There's also solid surface countertop. You're going to have, this is more of an upgraded, they call this a chef's package. We actually have this cooktop and love it. It is.
And well, we have the same
Yes.
oven, but it's not.
It's a little older. Ours is a little older model, but it's the same setup, and it just works so well. Drawers on both sides. Wow, I mean, there's just.
Sorry, Karen.
Yes.
Not the big oven.
Not the big
Sorry.
oven this time, but I can tell you that this one will make some excellent cookies and biscuits. So, just saying. They give you a window here that opens. I like that. So if you have cooking fumes or something, you can open that up, vent it out. Yeah, big Max Air fan. This is your side-by-side. Is this a
Furion?
Furion, yes.
Yeah.
Side-by-side Furion residential style fridge.
Look, there's a Diet Mountain Dew holder.
It is. Our lack of connoisseurism. I don't think that's a word. But anyway.
Oh my goodness.
Right next to your fridge is you're going to have a big pantry area. You've got an open space up here at the top. But we're not level, so the doors are going to swing a little bit. But yes.
My goodness.
Big drawer right there. Very nice. And here's the other side of your bar with your other two
and
bar stools. Oh, and there's
a little spot back here.
yes, there's some storage there too.
Wow.
So yes, you've got this nice, I mean, you have tons of prep space here. You can have.
Really? This is.
Yes. Tell us what you think. We personally do not like a dinette. We like table and chairs, or we love this setup. So tell us what you think. How do you feel about these two bar areas? because we would love to hear your feedback on that. All right, let's go on.
There's all of the controls,
yes.
everything for your max air fan, ceiling fan. Wow.
Yes. You've got almost like a free floating stairs going up to your upper deck. Coming on into the bathroom. Now, Jeremy is 6 feet tall. This Hemisphere has got a little bit of a barrel ceiling, so that gives you even more headroom in here. So, very nice. Got a little seat there in your shower. Linen storage over here.
Let's see if we can get all this open.
And they're separate doors. I
like that.
I like that.
And you see what all of them are.
Yes, nice and soft close. You do have a porcelain foot flush toilet right here. You're going to have plenty of leg room in front of it. On this side, you have your medicine cabinet. And I like that they give you a stainless sink in here instead of plastic. I really like that. Your tissue holders are already in place, and you've got a space here for a garbage can, storage underneath. And let's see, plug in max air fan and your light switches on.
Yeah, you got the little smaller one. Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
All right, let's move into the main bedroom. This is going to have a king size bed on a slide. You do have windows on both sides for some air if you need it.
Ooh, that's nice.
Storage underneath. And I like this. They give you a shelf right here.
That's a CPAP user right there.
Yes, it is. And that's a big space. I don't know how well this shows up, but you've got a big space here. Plug in, got a USB right down there.
Well, I can probably show it if it's even more on
Yes, on this side. It's very unusual to see this much space.
You can see I'm going
Yeah.
this away and not having to. Wow.
Yeah, so you will actually be able to make up the bed in this one. That is impressive.
We like to point those things out.
Right down here at the end, you're going to have a dresser. That's a little different configuration than what we're used to seeing.
Yep.
Laundry storage right there. And your TV is going to mount up there. And it'll, like that too, it'll put it at a little bit of an angle so it'll be easier to see. Second AC in here. Did we point out it does have a sliding door?
Yeah.
Nice window here with a little bench under it so you can sit and put your shoes on.
Now, down there, they had the ventless, but up here you've
Up
got
here it is in the floor.
in
Yes.
the floor. Let's see.
You don't know where it is in there. Okay.
Okay, there is not a vent in the bathroom. Keep that in mind.
That is interesting.
Wow.
All right. Well, let's show you the big closet here at the front.
Okay.
This is going to slide. Yes. So you have your hanging up here. This is prepped for a stackable.
Yeah.
Yeah. I had to think for a minute. Stackable washer and dryer. Your your Wi-Fi system and everything is up here.
You'd have to take your.
You would have to take your bar out.
But they,
Yes.
yeah, you can stack them up in here. Oh my.
Yes. Very nice. And on the other side.
Oh yeah, another bar.
Yes. And you've got shelves for your shoes. Does this one have a hook right up here?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Salem is really good about giving you these hooks up here for some extra hanging.
Wow. That's my new word for today.
Yes, today it's going to be wow. We're going to try not to be nice. We're going to be wow and awesome. But this kitchen layout is really awesome.
All right, everybody. If you like this Salem Hemisphere fifth wheel, the dealership's information will be down in the description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us a thumbs up, follow us on Facebook, give us some love. Thanks, everybody.